kids! Welcome to Kids School Art! Today, we are drawing a sleeping baby. Let's draw together. First, we draw face of the baby. Now, we are drawing eyes, nose, lips of our baby. Now, we are drawing ear. Now, it's time to draw body of the baby.
Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping, brother?
Our baby is sleeping and dreaming about her milk feeder.
Morning bells are ringing.
Wow! Our baby is looking so cute and lovely.
Ding dong, ding dang dong.
Now, we are drawing bed of our baby. Our baby bed looks like a cloud. It's very soft and comfy. Now, we draw dream of our baby. She is dreaming about her feeder with yummy milk. Babies love to take milk and sleep. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's do coloring. Red.
Hush, little baby, don't say a word. Mama's gonna buy you a mockingbird. And if that mockingbird don't sing, Mama's gonna
Cream.
buy you a diamond ring.
see you in next video. Take care.